sometimes socialisation can be quite simple, as a matter of just coming up to a supermarket, parking as close to the door as you can, and letting your dog experience people going in and out, cars moving around, all that type of thing, while they safely in the van, particularly for puppies that haven't been fully vaccinated. Ivy's got a snuffle match, we're using her lunch, and as she gets older you will just increase the times for when it's more busy. Good girl! Nice! Good girl. Ready? Good. Ready? Ready? Get it! Yes! Yes! Showing a bit of engagement. Yes! Oh! Yes! Oh, you're tangled now. You're all tangled now. Look at it. Come on, yes. Okay. Ready? Ready? Get it. Hurry. Yes. Get it. Good girl. Sometimes part of the fun is just chasing leaves.